Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth to your Ford Fusion. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on, but the engine does not need to be running, which provides a stable environment. Next, confirm your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable, typically found in your device's settings. This initial preparation makes the connection seamless and swift. Now, locate the Sync button on your vehicle's audio system console. Press this button to access the main menu. You will then see several options displayed on your dashboard screen. Navigate using the directional arrows or scroll wheel, depending on your Fusion's specific model. Select the phone or Bluetooth option to proceed to the next step. From the phone menu, choose the Add Device option. Your Sync system will then prompt you to begin the pairing process. At this point, your Ford Fusion will become discoverable to your phone. Check your phone's Bluetooth settings for available devices and select Sync or Ford Sync when it appears. A 6-digit PIN will then display on both screens for confirmation. Once the 6-digit PIN matches on both your phone and the Sync screen, confirm it on your phone. The system may ask if you want to set this phone as your primary device. Select Yes or No based on your preference. Congratulations, your phone is now connected, and you can enjoy hands-free calls and audio streaming. You have successfully paired your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.